Hey guys, good day to you. Today, I would like to share where you can get the free music or the royal free music, background music for us to use our video channel, YouTube, or the Canva. So first of all, we can click here, video, then he will bring you to this page. So we can insert our this video intro and video outro for closing. So in the middle part, we can insert our video like this. So here, this is the free video I'm choose from the Canva. Maybe is a cooking. Then in between here, you can add new page or change transition. So in the transition here, I just choose the circle Y. If you look at my how to make the product for the soft drink can, I have explained step by step in that video. I will put a link in the description box below. Then today I want to update is another match and move this transition in the Canva. So I'm here in between these two clip. I choose this one, and then this one you can do the duration for 3 seconds or maybe up to 4.2 seconds, but I've just choose about 2 seconds. So what he will do is I just show you like this, then I press the button play. He will take a while, then just transition very smoothly, very nice, very good. So until here, then I just make this intro. How to say this one is called maybe outro. Yes, outro video. If you like to use this outro, you can searching in this Canva, just click in outro template YouTube. Okay, here I have mentioned to you. Just click inside. He will bring you to mostly the outro like this. Some of them is free, some of them you need to pay. So after you done your video, so because in the Canva Pro user, they have a lot of the audio to provide them, if I no mistake, because like a pro, this one is entitled for the pro account user. We also can use if you are Canva free, but you need to pay if you want to export out, he will ask you some payment for this Canva Pro. For example, in Malaysia, he will ask you this one-time payment is 15 ringgit. Okay, so where can we get the free music? So today I want to show you is this website, Band Sound. It's totally free without any creating or login or sign in this your email account. Is totally free. So here we can see license. Just click in license. What is their requirement? He will mention you if you are using this under free license with the black download button. So what you want to do is you need to paste these sentences on your YouTube the description box there. So we're going back to Royal Free Music. They have a lot of very, very good music for us. And some of them is suitable for our short video. Or advertisement. There's many good For example, I like this music, just click this download button. Then you will see free license with attribution. So we just need to follow this description for the video, just like that. Need to copy and paste it to our video, our YouTube video. Okay, now we click download. They will take a few seconds or a minute to completely download. Like this. So you already download in my computer. So the name is called Band Sound Cube. Okay, now what I want to do is we're going back to our Canva and then click upload and then choose upload media. Upload media, we just click download. Just now the one Band Sound Cube, just click it, upload. So this is the audio, so we just come, yes, we come in here audio. Once he finish, we can drag and drop to our this panel, this track. So now I make this track becoming 0 second and then click it. So he will help us to put it the proper way. So now haven't finished to download, so what I want to do is just wait for a while. Okay, now it's complete. Now we just waiting here and then share button, click download and then okay, download. Just wait for a while. Once he completed, then we can press the button to see more smoothly. Okay, once we've completed, we just come to our YouTube channel, then click create, upload just now the video, just click it and then choose the video we make it, click upload. That just take a few seconds. We automatically upload to our this YouTube channel. So here I can change the title is say how to Canva. Okay, then don't forget here the description box. What we want to do is add in these sentences in here. So example for a proper way to create us music. So this one we have to copy and then until here, copy it and then coming back here and paste it. So here the title is Cube. So just put in there. So this is what we want to make it from the description box. So after that we click next and then click select some of the item, then just click and then we can do the publish and then click it, publish. Once completed, then we can go and take a look. Okay, for example, now we just go and take a look here. This video I just showed you. This video I will show you step by step to upload, download and upload to your video and then upload to your this YouTube video. If you are the new YouTuber, I think this one is a good help for you. So we can check here and mention about the band sound, royalty, or music cue, or this. Okay, this is very important. When some viewer will see and then click inside, then you will know any charge from this using free music for any party. Okay, so this is very important. So let us to check the final result. sorry about that, because I didn't add in any this final these two items here. So here I will going back to our video where I can add this thing is coming here and screen. Just press this pencil, and then I want this position like this because I make the closing outro is look like that. So I just press the button, adjust this timing because mostly there is about 20 seconds, but I just make about 15 seconds. So adjust here. This is the position I make. The one is called my channel logo and my channel. Then this one you can select, you just click it, you can select most recent upload or best for viewer, or you can choose specific video for your this column. For example, I choose the certain, so I can choose one of them to becoming my this next video for introduce my audience. Then this below this one I can click, and then I also can select here the pencil here to choose whatever my this introduction. For example, Canva teaching, Canva tutorial, or maybe it's my Asia banknote collection album, or learning Mandarin for my this recommended. Okay, once everything is done, you just click save. After you click save, then we also can add in some these cards. We just click inside. Then during this part, we also can adjust this line for this timing. For example, this timing is about this area. Then just click a video. You can choose one of the video, just automatically put out from here. When the video running until this timing, they will pop up at the top corner here. So, and mostly the maximum is about 5 cut. So you can put 5 in the I just choose a simple one, just about 5 totally. You can make it is 5 number. You cannot make more than 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. For example, let's say I want to make another one. No, it's maximum up to 5, and then you can keep press the button save. So everything done. We just going back to this channel, this page. Then you can see now it's totally different. Okay, you see we there pop up here. Can pop up here. They will mention you, suggest you which video there will be on the certain how to say that, certain timing. Okay, so he will pop up here. So this is what I want to share for today. If you are the new YouTuber, I think this one is good for you. But if you are the Canva user, I think this one is good for you to insert the free music without any royal. It's good for you. Okay, I hope you enjoyed today the video. Please give me a like and subscribe my channel. See you next video soon. Bye.